and welcome back to my channel, Night Owl Collage. I'm Amber, and I have another Grabie unboxing for you today on What's in the Box Wednesday. So I'm really excited to get into this because I really enjoyed the last one. I'll put all the subscription info in the box, the description box down below, where you can get it, how you subscribe, how much it is, all that good stuff. But we want to see what's in the box, right? So let's get started. Again, I just love the box. It's so cute. Okay. Pretty pink tissue paper. Got a July stamp. So excited. I love subscription boxes and I love surprises. Okay, we got our Grabie sticker. You get this in like every box. Okay. Vintage Archive Room Flower Guide. Oh, this is awesome. Look at this. Okay, these are these stickers? Okay, it's like sticker paper. It's like translucent, but you do have to cut around the sticker. It's not already cut. But there's like a ton of stickers in here. I mean, look at how thick this is. I mean, I think, oh, we got stamps too. I think it's worth the effort to cut them out because you get so many. So we've got a bunch of stamps, and then we've got, I think, by color here. Pages of colors. We got wreaths and frames. Let's see. Cotton. Different wildflowers, leaves, like fall stuff. Tropical. There's just a ton. It goes on and on and on. Got some bigger ones and some smaller ones. This is awesome. There's so much in here. Very cool. Okay, I just don't know what I want to grab next. Okay, I'm gonna push this up here so I can just bring this down here because the tissue is getting in the way. Okay, we've got jute. That's always good to have for your tags and like wrapping around your journals and things like that. Always good to have jute. This is glue tape, sticky tape, double-sided tape. Oh, are they dots? No, I think that's just the beginning. Yeah, so nice to have that. Awesome. Oh, these are cool. Okay, let's see what these look like. I want to see. Let me get it. See, I always forget to grab a sheet of paper when I do this. Okay. So they're all like little flower washy flowers. See? It's one off. How cute is that? I love it. And there's all different colors. That's awesome. Perfect. And these are amazing. Thread scissors. I've actually been needing new thread scissors, so this is perfect. Hopefully they're sharp enough. Love them. They're really pretty too. Look at the design on them. Okay, this looks interesting. Just says Deco Assets. Got some more jute. Add that to my spool there. There's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. These are papers. Got some botanical papers here. A bird. Love the birds. Some more botanical papers. Illustrations. Let me get all the papers here. Here's some papers. Some fruits, still life. Some cherries and some mushrooms. I think those are apples. Got peaches. Cute. more botanicals. We got grapes. That's pretty neat. I like that. Pear, raspberries. Let's see what else we got. More cherries. Oranges or peaches? I think peaches. Plums, raspberries, some different botanical elements here. There's a lot. Pears, like blueberries, variety of fruits there. Pineapple, cherries. Cool. Exactly what I need for my kit, to work with my kit. Man, there's a lot. Got some like memos, some more fruits. These are all papers and not stickers. Okay. I think there are some stickers in here, and here's some like fall foliage there. And I like these ones that are shaped like this. I'll probably cut off the white background or either ink it or something. These are paper tags. They're very light. More of these. Green butterfly. More tags. Here's an interesting tag. Mushrooms. Here's some butterflies. More tags. Raspberries. Okay, I think we're getting down to the stickers now. I like this tag. There's a little memo. Wait, more paper. Oh, there's a squirrel. Yay. Those are cute. There's some small, oh, there's hearts. Oh, cute. I love the hearts with the, I think that's grapefruit. It might be an orange, but I think it's a grapefruit. Okay, now these are the stickers. Those are washi stickers. So you've got different of those fruit images that are on the papers. And then, oh, here's a lemon. Some like faux washi tape. Well, what is washi tape? But it's like, looks like it's torn. And then we've also got washi tags. And yeah, I think there's this one just like an image here. And the rest of these are just like the fruit images. All different kinds of fruit, apples, pears, oranges, apricots, raspberries, strawberries, all the berries. So we're gonna set that. There's a lot in that. Oh man, that's a lot. Okay, let me just set those to the side if I can get them out of the way. Okay, let's see. Paper. Let's see what kind of paper we got. Love the bag. Oh, these are pretty. Okay, we've got squares like Post-it size. These remind me of oh, I can't remember the name of the scrapbook paper company now. That's gonna drive me crazy. Okay, butterflies. We've got some lined ones. More butterflies. That is really cute. Got some music. Lots of pinks and purples. Very pretty. Some on book pages. Piano, music. Very, very pretty. I really like these a lot. I like that they're on like ledger paper and book paper and all that. Very pretty. And then these are the same ones, except these are on probably like 3x5 or so. So same images. Just a little larger. And then these are probably maybe 5 by 7 or so. Let's see. Or 4 by 6. These are almost 4.5 by 6.5. So just in between. And these are 4 3/4 by 3.5. So then we got those, lots and lots of paper in there. Could probably do a whole journal just with this. Okay, we've got that. Here's our stickers. Let me cut that open. I love the stickers. I can't wait to see what stickers are. Okay. The Manor album. Very fancy. Let's see. Where does it open at? I'm just going to pull this off underneath here. Okay. So we've got like numbers and like kind of scribbles, script. There's some quotes in here. It's not our abilities that determine who we become, it's our choices. So we've got a lot of those quotes and script. Faith can move mountains. And then we have these like two-tone ones that are gold, and they're either black or dark brown. I think they're black. So we've got black and gold here on these. And then, so they're all different foliage and flowers, sunflowers. And then we have, those are the flowers. And then we have gold frames, which are really, really gorgeous. I mean, they've got almost like a holographic look to them. You probably can't tell on camera, but it's really, really beautiful. We got a bigger square, some smaller square, some circles. So these are really, really beautiful, very fancy. And I love gold, so that's gonna be fun. I'm gonna set those to the side and put them away later. Oh, I'm so happy about this. I love dragonflies too. So I love insects, lots of different insects. My son got really, really into insects when he was very little. We homeschool, so story was funny. My husband went out jogging one night, and when he came in, there's this huge green bug that flew in and just landed on the wall. He was about to squash it. And I said, no, 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 no. Maybe the kids will like to see it and learn about it. Let's find out what it is and take care of it and see if they're interested. So we did that. Turns out it was a katydid. And this insect, this katydid, became my son's best friend. It would sit on his shoulder. He named it Jake. And the day it died was the saddest day in his little boy life. But we would always go out and look for insects and all different kinds of insects and learn about them. And he had a bug zoo for the neighborhood one time. So insects are near and dear to my heart. We've had praying mantises, we've had beetles, we've had grasshoppers, all different kinds of insects. So these are really, really cool. Nice and big. Great addition to a page. I would love to do an insect junk journal. That would just be so fun to do. because they're, you know, the beetles and dragonflies and butterflies and all those have such pretty colors, such nice jewel tones and things like that. So they end up being really pretty. Love those. Okay, then we've got, looks like some frames and some flowers. Got some pinks. So we've got roses. And we've got butterflies. Very sparkly. More butterflies, and then we've got some more roses. Butterflies on flowers. And then we've got pink frames. Squares, circles, pentagons. Got these ovals. It's just a polygon, I guess. Like a ticket shape, tag shape. Very cool, like a window shape. All kinds of shapes in here. That's pretty cool. My light's going out. Okay. Let's see what else. Birds. You know I love these. Awesome. Oh, these are gorgeous too. And they've got music notes. I love how they're swooping. That's very pretty. These are just really gorgeous. I love them. I want to save them for something special. And then we've got these. These are, oh, they don't feel like you're going to come off very easily. Let's see. I think they're just like strips, and you're going to have to cut them out if you want to separate them. See, they're not coming off very easily. This one's going to be difficult. I just know it. Okay, yeah. So it's one big strip that you can either use together on a page or you can cut apart, but it is all big one strip. And then we've got these. There's a clock. Got 2 of those. And then another one with like reeds and frames. So these are really pretty. I love the colors, the pink and the green. Beautiful. Okay. Last thing. What's in here? Paper, more paper. All right. So we've got, my lights keeps going off. Okay. So we've got some die cuts. That's just gonna have to be dark for a minute. Okay. So these are actually, I don't know if you can see, but the paper is embossed. So that's really cool. So we've got flowers, we've got vines. We've got, these are really delicate, so I'm trying to be careful. Some flower sprays. I think it's really cool that they're embossed like that. I haven't seen that before. So those are very nice. There's plenty of them. I don't want to fiddle with getting those back in right now. And then, oh, we've got bird vellum. Lovely. And it's like got gold embossing. Oh, my daughter's gonna love this. She loves foxes. The one that loves the yellow, foxes too. Rabbits, Luna moth. And this is, it's like a glossier paper. So it's got a gloss to it. It's not regular paper. So those are really pretty. Same designs. And these are like, is this sticker paper? I think this is sticker paper. Yeah, this is sticker paper. Awesome. So it's kind of got some steampunk thing on it. This is like animal slash steampunk. Pretty cool. It's like some prehistoric stuff, birds, wildlife. Those are all sticker papers. And then got some more of that glossy paper, polka dots, chevron, florals, and then this is more vellum in the same designs. I really like this one. That's really cool. Oh wow, that's really cool. So that comes from this paper bag here. Those are really awesome. Well, I'm really happy with this box again. I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know what you think in the comment section, and I will be back again with another tutorial or something soon. What is tomorrow? So this is Wednesday, so tomorrow will be a tutorial. So come back tomorrow for a tutorial, craft with me, have some fun. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you again soon. Have a great day.